We're here at Xavi's house with the Venom CRX. Right now they pulled the tranny out and we're getting ready to put it back in. This is really unplanned. I only came over to bring my cylinder head to Javier, and he also finished welding and putting back together the tranny case. No more one tire fire.
Put a brand new Mfactory LSD in it.
Yup. I need one of those.
There you go.
B-series on the spray. Stock block. All Lexan. Didn't get to show you guys last time because I wasn't here when they finished. But it's all back together for the most part. Little side exit on the Starlet. It's on fuel tech. On the fuel tech.
Some solid shifter bushings. Got stock ones in there.
Stock shifter bushings to solid shifter bushings. Trying to go 10s this year. Like I said, it's on the juice. Stock block.
Best is 11.2.
11.2 on the juice.
Watch the snake. Watch the snake.
Yo lo conecto en el dash y marca las millas.
Custom coolant bottle. Coca-Cola.
Hey,
sponsored by Coca-Cola.
That's the secret.
That's where all the horsepower comes from.
All the coke.
All the coke. And this car got a full exhaust.
Oh yeah. Street car.
Street car.
Ahí.
Stock block built head B series. What's that, B20 or B18?
It's a B18 full
B18.
GSR swap.
Full GSR swap.
Búscame los tornillos de esta otra mesa.
Everything's Lexan, except for the windshield. Custom carbon, by the way. If anybody needs some carbon repairs or anything like that, hit up Xavi. Hoods, fenders, trunks.
Anything.
Anything.
Eggie. Fiberglass right now.
Okay, so what?
Fiberglass, carbon, you hit them up.
God, look at that. That thing went in with no struggles. No bolts, no nothing. Look how tight it is.
Damn. I thought we were going to be out for a little longer.
Give me the ratchet, the snap-on, the long one.
That thing went in there easy.
Yeah. 17, socket.
Dang, that thing went in. That thing went in fast.
Huh?
I said that thing went in fast.
That thing is close. I know what I'm doing. This is my show. I use this show so many times.
Custom headlight because the intake comes out through here, but Xavi didn't want to leave it open, so he covered that up. It's the little things. It's the little things on these cars.
That's insane how fast it went in. I've never seen a transmission going that fast.
I didn't.
Ever.
I was expecting a little bit of like, you know.
Struggle.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Shout out to Snap On.
For real. Snap On Tools, sponsors. If you don't, Matco will. Probably not. Figured I'd show you guys the transmission case. So Javier welded it all up in here, and then he put some epoxy on top of it, just as like a secondary protection type deal. But that was my main concern with the transmission, and now it's practically brand new. Then I brought him the cylinder head too, so we could stop porting and polishing everything, get that all ready and set to go for all the parts and stuff. Venom, the Starlit. This dude's still wrenching out here. Transmission's in. Forgot to mention Duraka built. System with focus. I'll put their channel link in the description.
Yeah, Steven. Steven, ya mismo estamos corriendo, Steven.
No, it's funny. I just shouted out
Their
Duraka built
CRX is
too.
ready already, ready
Yeah, I know.
to go.
Yeah.
Just waiting for a Honda dig to come through.
Yep. You talking about the Chris Miller one?
Yeah.
Yeah. We out there.
First event, we're
We're out
racing
there.
that event.
Even if my car's not done, I'm going.
Yeah.
I got it on my calendar at work.
Huh?
I got all the events on the calendar at work. That's in front of my toolbox.
Aquí esto. No sé cómo hacerlo.
Está mucho mejor que antes, ¿verdad?
8,000 veces. Me. Esta es la reversa.
Siempre que vayas a poner quita, poner primero y después quita.
Quita.
Reversa, primero y después reversa.
Ahí. Primera y reversa. Ya lo sé. Ya lo está 1000 veces mejor, though. Tiene un jueguito nada más aquí.
Si tuviera el tornillito que te digo, se le quita, ¿verdad? Hey.
Oh, sí, ya. Es verdad.
What?
See the game?
Yeah.
I don't know what he did that. Huh?
It was worse before, right?
Dude.
Because I remember from that video, you had that thing all the way over here. That was bad.
Oh, yeah.
We're still out here, guys. Got the starter on. Passenger axle. Now we're making our way over to the driver's side. We're going to try and get this thing started tonight.
That's right.
Get this thing started. Got the clutch adjusted.
Still here.
Yes, sir. see if this thing starts.
Ponle el switch una vez, lo quita, lo haces 3 veces y después le startea.
Uy.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Running. She's running. Running through the gears now. Make sure all the gears go in. The car just got a new Mfactory LSD. Running.
Ahí había uno, era uno ahí, adentro de la bandeja, al lado del cerrillo.
She's running.
Oh yeah, it's a street car, papi.
Street car.
Yo creo que yo le voy a quitar ese head y comprarle otro.
Yo le monté un tricky.
¿Le damos?
You gotta go up a little bit more. I got it.
Ready to the action.
Busca
feel, my boy?
One step closer. So they see the first.
Oh, the speedometer's working?
Yeah.
It wasn't working before?
No. It works. That's crazy. It never worked. He fixed it. Yo, you recording?
Yeah.
I see the tire spin in the front.
Yeah. Hell yeah. What? No more one tire. Both tires are spinning now. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah.